Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in your campaigns in Pomelli. So Pomelli has generate a campaign for you or your business DNA for you, and you like these pictures, but you would like to fix or tweak a few texts on the design. How do you do that? All you have to do is click on any one of these campaign designs, and once you click on it, you will realize that on the right hand side you can change images, you can edit the text. So here's edit text. If I expand this, you can change the text to whatever it is. So here it says give a gift with real meaning, right? Instead of put a full stop, I can put a question mark if I so desire, as an example right there, right? And here you can even change the font if you want to. You can always change font and all those good stuff as well. Here you can even change color and all those good stuff. Now the description is another text that you can always go ahead and modify the description, put whatever you want there, right? So once you do that, you will just need to wait a few seconds for the AI, or let's say auto update it for you, because there's no save button, but you can always do that. And if you ever want to like change the images or whatever, you can always click on the image right here, and it's going to allow you to choose from your bunch of images that you have in your design, and you can select new images and so forth. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you go ahead and change the text really in your campaigns on Pomelli.